Zach's Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zach's Rank Buys. We have a couple of momentum stocks that we would like you to know more about. At least Mike Vodicka does. Mike is our momentum stock strategist here at Zacks.com and visits with us weekly to clue us in on just a couple of the momentum stocks that he has on his radar. Crocs Incorporated being one of them this week. CROX, the ticker symbol. Now, that's that famous shoe company.
Yeah, probably a familiar name to most, but this was a company that really struggled in 2008, 2009, and since then they've come out of the recession really strong. We've talked about them here on Momentum before, and I wanted to give another update on Crocs.
Yeah.
They just reported really strong first quarter results. They saw revenue jump 36% year over year, which is great, and they saw a nice 26% earnings surprise, so that was really solid too. Over the last 4 quarters, they have an average earnings surprise of 60%. So
that's only average.
That's right, only the average. They've had some that have been higher and a couple that have been lower, but they're looking pretty strong right now. They saw a nice mix of across their distribution channels. Wholesale sales were up 37% year over year, and they're also making a lot of progress with their internet sales. They saw internet sales jump 35% year over year, so that was nice too. Financial profile for Crocs is really strong. They saw cash and short-term investments are up 19 million year over year, so there stands at about 116 million now, and the company only has $7 million in long-term debt, so they have a very strong financial profile, which definitely helped them survive the recession of 2009.
Yep.
Getting into estimates, we saw the current year estimate added 5 cents off the good quarter to $1.11. The next year estimate is projecting 24% growth, so that's a really nice number too. Moving into the valuation, we've seen a lot of gains here, but the valuation picture still looks good. Company has a PEG ratio of 0.88, which is below the benchmark for value of 1, so that's good too. And then finally, moving into the chart, we have a new 52-week high in hand at 25.09, and shares are looking strong right now.
All right, and that's no croc. All right.
There we go.
We know you're going to keep your eyes peeled on that one for any further updates.
Absolutely.
Lululemon Athletica is the next one that you've written about. You've talked about this one before, right?
I have, yeah.
Athletic apparel company for men and women?
Yeah, specifically they're big in yoga. It's high-end yoga apparel. And
didn't know you needed athletic wear to do yoga, but
I guess you do. I guess you do. Who knew, right? But I'm not sure if this is a real high-profile name, but the company they're doing really good right now. They've been one of the better momentum names over the last year or so. They just reported first quarter results in early June, and they saw sales jump 35% year over year to 186 million, and they delivered a 16% earnings surprise. So they've been really strong. They saw same-store sales, which is a key retail metric, jumped 16% year over year. That's a huge gain in same-store sales. That was really impressive too. Company has a really strong financial profile also. Cash and short-term investments are up 87 million year over year. So they've got 261 million on the balance sheet, and they have no debt. Again, a lot of flexibility with their financials there too.
Mm-hmm.
Current year estimate added 6% on the good quarter. Analysts are looking for 216 this year. Next year, analysts are looking for 270, so that's a 25% growth projection. So they're still bullish on this stock longer term. In light of some of the gains we've seen, though, shares are a little bit pricey, trading at 42 times forward earnings, but this is a hardcore growth stock, so you tend to see the higher multiple with those kinds of names.
Okay.
But not totally unusual. And then finally, moving into the chart, what I actually noticed is that since I put this chart together only a couple days ago, I've already seen a new high in Lulu at 104.92. Company's got some great upward momentum right now, so they're looking strong.
Cool. All right. Do you own either of these two?
No, I don't.
Check out more Zach's Rank Buy stock picks on our website. Put 4 new ones up there for you daily, one in each of the investing categories that we write about on Zacks.com. Mike's included, the momentum category. With Mike Vodicka, I'm Terry Ruffalo.